Hey Alejandro, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I wanted to go over what a website could do for you. Whenever you have a website, you'd want to make sure that you have keywords on it. And an example of a keyword is Foundation Repair DFW. And when your customers search for this, the first thing that's popping up are some ads here. But if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this Google Map Pack section. And you want to be in the top 3 here because they get a lot of that 30 to 40%. The way that you outrank these other businesses is you would have a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then you want a good amount of reviews as well as geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing down here. And this is where your website would be ranking. And it's important to be on this first page here because 90% of people will stay on the first page. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website, Premier. And if we look through their website here, something to keep in mind whenever you do have a website, you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage. The reason is Google has crawlers and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they're looking through what words are on your page, what your photos are saved as, looking for those keywords. And that Foundation Repair DFW was an example of a keyword there. And let's take a look at the back end of Premier. So I have the Premier website plugged into Ahrefs, and it's going to show us some ratings pulled from Google data. UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So Premier has 35 and 7, and what's making up their ratings here are the 3.22 thousand backlinks that they have. And those backlinks are coming from 188 referring domains. And what a backlink is it is one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it is important to note that not all backlinks are created equal. There are high quality ones that will boost these numbers here, and there are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional whenever you're choosing backlinks. And let's take a look. They have 291 keywords on their website. Let's look at them. Foundation Repair Dallas. 1,000 people are searching for this every single month. Dallas Foundation Repair, 150, 180, 180, 70. And this list just keeps going. And so in order for you to get some of this traffic yourself, you would want that Google Business Profile ranking, so have some more citations to that. And then you'd want a website that would be ranking, so you would build your website, make sure that there's 1,500 words on there with buyer intent keywords. And then you'd want to have backlinks that boost your authority and your trustworthiness. That way you can outrank all of your competitors. And so I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to hear from you, so if you'll give me a call, let me know if it was helpful or not, and I'll let you know the joke of the day. Thanks for watching.